Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Switch on your cameras, all of you. Let us start with our class. Saklain, Yusuf, Farhana, come on, let us start with our class. Okay, before we begin with our class, I'll give you the syllabus for your essay. Your essay will be 50 marks, okay? And the question paper will be just the same pattern as you have given your FA. Just the thing is that the marks will be more now, okay? Duration will be more, okay? So I'll give you math syllabus today. The chapters which you have given in FA will also be there because there is a continuity. So there will be you know that it will be in April, right? April first week. So we have 2 weeks left. We have already covered most of the syllabus. First one is, this is I think chapter 3. You need to check it. Algebraic expression. The first chapter we did in Tagore. And polynomial. Identify whether it is a polynomial or not. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, division of polynomials. All these things we have done in this. Second one is what was the second? What is with the fourth chapter? Factorization. Okay, let me check the name of the chapter first. Special products and factorization. This one is whole chapter, okay? In FA, you got just 4-5 exercises, so full exercises. So that's why I told you to practice terminal exercise. First one is algebraic expression and polynomial. And the third one is linear equation, not full chapter. I'll tell you, linear equation may we have to do linear equation in one variable, which we are doing now. That much you will get. Linear equation in one variable. Word problems also, okay? Solving linear equation in one variable with word problems. Word problems, next class I'll teach you. Okay, so I think 4 exercises. I'll tell you the exercise number also. Wait, till which exercise? It is check your progress 5.2. No, not 5.2. Wait, what problem is still? till 5.5. Okay, till exercise 5.5. This is from your textbook. Till 5.5 exercise will be getting it in essay. Total marks will be 50 marks. Okay, so we have 2 weeks left now. Last week will be the revision week. Next week, till next week, we'll be doing whatever we are doing here. And the last week will be the revision class. So you will have 2 science class and 2 maths class for revision. And the next week, we'll just complete our syllabus. Science syllabus, I'll give you tomorrow. This is chapter 3, right? I think this is chapter 3. This is chapter 4. So these are full chapters you are going to get. And this is still exercise 5.5. Linear equation till exercise 5.5. Ahmad, Uzair, switch on your camera. All of you have noted down the syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Ahmad, have you noted down the syllabus? Okay. Okay, so let us start with our class. We were doing linear equation in one variable. So today, again, we'll do some more questions because in your book, there are just 4 or 5 questions. We'll do extra questions in class today. I have some questions for you. Start doing it now like we did in the last class. Give me answers in chat, and then if you face difficulty, we'll do it here. So this is the question. These are the questions. 3x by 2 minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. If you want, I'll write it over here. Okay. Okay, Hamad, you can keep your camera off, but give me answers in chat. Okay. First question is 3x by 2. Give me the answer of the A part. I'm writing it over here again if you don't understand it. It is like this, okay, is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the first question, A part. Not all questions you have to do. I'll just tell you which questions to do because I have many questions. Anyone got the answer? If you're getting answer in fraction, make it in mixed fraction. Muazzam, just check your answer once again.
Ma'am, I have to send you in chat.
You have sent?
No, ma'am, I have to send in chat.
You send me in chat. Mm, 3 whole 2 by 3 everyone is getting. Okay, all of you are getting different answers. Let me do over here. This, how do you do this? This is 3x by 2 minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2. How have you done? Tell me, Mozam, how did you start?
Ma'am,
You will
first,
make 3.
ma'am, I
Tell
took
me.
the 2 to the right hand side. The divided by 2, I took it to the right hand side. So it became multiplied by 2. 1 by 2 into 2. 3x
Okay, but
minus.
you will take, see, listen, Mozam. You can take 2 here, but see, only 3x by 2 is there. If it is whole by 2, then only you can take it here. Okay, so for making it whole by 2, you will have to multiply by this. It's better if you do it like this, 1 by 2 plus 10. Because 2, you cannot take it here directly because it is not under the 10 also. If it is whole by 10 by 2, then only you can take it over here. Otherwise, minus 10 will go here. X part is here. And you will get, how much? You will get 10 by 1. So what is the LCM? 2. This is 1 plus 20, which is 21 by 2. And this is 3x by 2. So x is equal to 21 by 2. This 2 goes, now you will bring 2 over here and 3 in the denominator. 2 cancel. So the answer is 21 by 3, which is 3 6 are 18 and 19 20 21. नहीं नहीं, ये तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा. Okay, have I done everything correct? Let me check it. This is into 2 into 2, so 20 plus 1, 21 by 2, and this 2 cancel out. So this is 21 by 3. Okay, is it clear? That
Yes,
means
ma'am.
7. 7 is the answer. Other way to do is, let me do it in other way. If by other way, if I do, it can be like Moazzam did, 3x by 2, and minus 10 is there, is equal to 1 by 2. I want to make the denominator 2, then only it will go over here. So for making the denominator 2, I will have to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Then it will become this. So now this is 3x minus 20 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now this 2 will go over there because now this whole is divided. So that is why now it can go. 3x by 2 alone cannot go. So 3x minus 20 is equal to 2 by 2, which is 1. So this becomes 3x is equal to 1 plus 20. Again 21. So x is equal to 21 by 3. So again you are getting the same answer. Answer is 7. Okay. So answer for this question is 7. Is it clear, everyone? If you do
Yes,
that
ma'am.
way, first method or second method, any method you do, remember you have to take the constant to the right hand side and the unknown on the left hand side. And what other rule you have to remember? Whatever is divided will go multiplied on the opposite side of the equation, and whatever is added or subtracted will become minus or plus depending on the sign. So is it clear, everyone? Yusuf, keep your camera on. Yusuf, Ahmad, Uzair, Farhana, Muazzam, Mudabbir, everyone. Is it clear? Saklin, clear now? Okay, now do this question. B part, B1. B is x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 8. Now see over here, x. So you solve it for x first, which is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is there. Okay. So solve it. What will be the LCM? 2 and 3. What will be the LCM? 6. So this becomes 3x and this becomes 2x is equal to 8. And this becomes x by 6 is equal to 8. So x is equal to 48. Okay, so second one also I solved it. Now you do the C part. Now I'm not going to do. You have to open the bracket, Bring all x terms on LHS, all the constant on RHS. Do the C part. Write on the question. 6x minus 9 minus 2 into 1 minus x, bracket close, equal to x plus 9. The hint is you have to open the bracket first. Be careful with the sign. When you are moving minus 2 inside the bracket, minus x and minus 2 becomes plus 2x. So be careful with the sign. When you send me the answer, just let me know you are sending the answer.
Ma'am, I sent you.
Yeah. Okay, I'm checking it. Sakleen, you gave me which answer? The C1. Did you send me the answer? I got Farhana. My answer is different. So just check Farhana once again. Any mistake is there.
Send you the C1.
C1. You will also check it. Just check it. Check it once again. If you can find your mistake, let me know. Okay. Our denominator is correct. The whole number is correct, Muazzam. Just see the numerator part. It should be 5 in the numerator. No, correct. You're correct. You're correct, Muazzam. 6 in the numerator, correct. 2 6 by 7. Farhana, check your answer. Sakleen, wrong answer. Muazzam, if you have completed, just do this question, E part. E1. After C, E. Ahmad, answer. You are not giving me answer. Yusuf, Uzair. Okay, Yusuf, it is wrong. Denominator is correct, Farhana. Numerator is wrong. Okay, why, Ahmad, you are not able to solve it? Open the bracket. Ahmad, you will help me out now. Open the bracket. I'll do all the questions on screen, but you have to try because, see, when you open the bracket, your question is 6x minus 9. I'm doing C part over here. 6x minus 9 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x, okay, is equal to x plus 9, okay. Now all the x will be on this side. So this side 6x plus 2x, and from here when x comes to this side it becomes minus x, and here it is 9 and 2 minus 11 is equal to 9. Now solve this. 6, 7, 8 minus 1, 7x is equal to 9 plus 11. So x is equal to 20 upon 7, which is equal to 7, 2s are 14 and 6. 2 6 by 7 is the answer. Farhana, 2 6 by 7, not 6 by 7, okay? This is the solution over here. Now do E part. I have given the solution for C part. Those who have not done C part, copy it from here. E part is 2 minus y upon y plus 7. So whole brackets like this is equal to 3 by 5. Now whenever you get this type of question, straight, yeah.
In question C, how did you get 11?
This is minus 9 and minus 2 is minus 11. Okay, minus 11 goes on the opposite side, becomes plus 11. Okay, E part, how will you start? Whenever you get this type of question, something whole upon something whole is equal to 3 by 5, you just cross multiply. 5 will go over here because 5 is divided. So 5 gets multiplied over here, and this whole part goes here and gets multiplied. So basically you will start with 5 into 2 minus y is equal to 3 into y plus 7. Now you will solve it. Move 5 inside and 3 inside. Arrange all the y's on one side and all the constants on the other side, and then solve. This you have to cross multiply. Anyone has got E answer? This topic will be there in your syllabus, okay? So just have to multiply 5 in 5 with this whole bracket and 3 with this whole bracket, and then arrange y's and the constants. What is the next step? Anyone can tell me the next step? 5 into 2 minus y.
10 minus 5y
Okay.
is equal to 3y
Yes.
plus 21.
Okay. Now what will we do?
Ma'am, we can make it 10 minus
Okay.
21
Okay.
is equal to
Equal to.
3y plus 5y.
Okay. So 8y you are getting, right?
Yes.
I'll write the last step. 8y is equal to how much? Minus 11. Correct? 21 minus 10 is 11 and negative sign because 21 is a bigger number, which gives you y is equal to minus 11 by 8. Answer is minus 11 by 8. You can make it into mixed fraction also. 8 ones are 8 and 9, 10, 11. So minus 1, 3 by 8 is the answer. E part I have done over here. After this, do F part. Now, in the same way, you have to do F part. Now, I am not doing it. F part, you have to give me the answer. You give me the answer for F part, okay? Again, you will have to do cross multiply only, but with here it is a negative sign. So be careful. Start with F part. 3x plus 2 upon 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2. D part. Okay, you have done D part. D part though I didn't tell you to do, Saklen. I'll have to check D part, okay? Now you have to do F part. Everyone, F part you have to do. And give me answers quickly. We cannot waste the whole period. Today we just have to do the linear equation part. So complete questions quickly. Ahmed, since your camera is off, at least one answer you should give. You are not doing? Because I can't see you. Okay, okay, Mozzam. Let me check your answer. F part you have done, right? Farhana, correct answer. Mozzam, correct answer. Those who have done F part, do G part. Sakleen, F is wrong answer. F part is wrong answer. Yusuf, denominator is correct. Numerator, there is some mistake. Check in the numerator. You have added, actually it is 9 minus 4, Yusuf. Because when 4 goes on the other side, it becomes minus, right? Plus 4 goes to the other side, it becomes minus. So it will be 9 minus 4. It is not 13. It will be 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, denominator is correct. Correct your numerator also. Sakleen, check your answer. F is wrong. Those who have done F, start with G. Others also give me answer. Mudabbir, I'm not getting answer from you. Uzair, Ahmad. Yes, Mudabbir, now correct answer. Now do G part. Now you understand this type of question, you have to cross multiply. X minus 8 divided by 3 is equal to x minus 5 divided by 5. So here you can see x minus 8 is divided by 3. So 3 goes here and gets multiplied by 3. And 5 goes here and gets multiplied by 5 because you cannot solve in fraction. So next step, you should write x minus 8 into 5. And here it is x minus 5 into 3 because here it was divided. So on the other side of equation, it will get multiplied. Here it is
Ma'am,
divided, so this side it
ma'am,
gets
it's
multiplied.
not x minus 5, it's x minus 3 in the question. G.
Question number G, yeah, x minus 3. Okay, okay, just a moment. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Now,
can you check my answer?
which answer you gave? G part you have given?
Yeah.
G, Farhana, is it G part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me do it in my way. 5x minus 3. Yes, correct answer, Farhana. F part, G part is correct, Farhana. Now do this one. Question number 1A, this one. I'm underlining it. Huh? This 9 into m plus 8, ये वाला question है ना, this one. 9 into m plus 8 plus 5m equal to 3. So you have to find the value of m. Muazzam, okay, 2. Correct answer, 51 by 2. Correct answer. Muazzam, correct. Saklain, why you're getting wrong answer continuously? See, I'm doing it over here, Saklain. See what mistake you are doing. 5 into x, what is it? 5x. 5 into minus 8, 40, minus 40. 3 into x is 3x, and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Now this plus 3x will come here. It becomes 5x minus 3x, and this minus 40 will go here and it becomes plus 40 minus 9. So 5x minus 3x is 2x, equal to 40 minus 9 is 31. So x is equal to 31 upon 2. In mixed fraction, it will be 2 15s are 30. Understood, Saklan? Answer is this, 15 1 by 2 or 31 by 2. Even if you write this one, it is correct. Now do this question, 9m 9 into m plus 8 plus 5m is equal to 3. Nine into m plus 8 plus 5m is equal to 3. Again, you have to move 9 here. This question, okay, I think it is correct answer, but let me check it, Farhana. 16 minus 69. Correct answer, Farhana. Okay, Farhana, do this one. K plus 7 upon 4 is equal to 2. Yes, Saklen, correct answer. This question you have to do, okay? K plus 7. Muazzam, correct answer. You can give me the answer in improper fraction also. This is the next question. Now this is whole, so you can take 4 over here. Correct answer, Farhana, for this one. Okay, now I'll give you some more questions. Yes, Akleen, correct answer. Okay, now this question, P plus 4, marking the question. Yes, Mozam, correct answer. Pick up your speed. Now I'm giving you simple questions. Then now I'm getting, now, why Ahmad, you're not giving me answer? Ahmad, Yusuf, this was a simple question. Now do this one. P plus 4 upon minus 5 is equal, no, sorry, minus 1 is also there.
Ma'am, the minus will come up, na?
नहीं रुको रुको, माइनस विल नॉट कम अप बिकॉज यहाँ पे है, ऐसे है, -1, ओके, is equal to -7p upon -8. Okay, do one thing, minus upon minus gets cancelled out, so it will be plus. So directly do it over here, but here -5 सिर्फ इसके नीचे है, so you cannot cross multiply. Okay, so what you will do, -1 को यहाँ पे +1 कर लो. So you will do p plus 4 upon minus 5 is equal to 7p upon 8 plus 1. Now solve this thing. 7p यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 1 है, तो 8 is LCM. So plus 8 upon 8, and यहाँ पे है p plus 4 upon minus 5. Now you can cross multiply because this whole and this whole is there. So now you can cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 8 into p plus 4 is equal to minus 5 into 7p plus 8. Now space is not there. You solve it and give me the answer for p. Give me the answer in improper fraction only, okay? Okay, yeah, Farhana. Sakleen, both of you are getting positive and negative में problem. Denominator तो same है, but what happened in the numerator? See, 8 fours are 32 है ना, plus 32. It goes over there and gets a negative sign. यहाँ पे already you have 8 fives are 40 with a negative sign. Is it clear, Farhana? Farhana and Sakleen, just check it. The numerator part is wrong. You will have a negative answer, but -8 नहीं होगा because you will have -40 and -32. Check my calculation also. I might be doing it wrong, but just check it. I'll do it over here, the next step. 8p, so 8p plus 8 into 4, 32, is equal to -5 into 7, -35p. And -5 into 8, -40. This -35 comes here. It becomes 8. Yes, correct answer now, Farhana. 8p plus 35p is equal to -32 minus 40. Answer is 43p is equal to minus 72. So p is equal to minus 72 upon 43. This is the answer. Minus 72 upon 43. Sakleen, correct your answer. 8 is not there in the answer. Okay. Now do this question. Let me bring this. This one. Yeah, Sakleen, now it is correct. Yeah. A plus 8 upon 5 is equal to 9. Getting answer from only 2-3 people. This should not be there. Please try now. You have just 2 weeks left for your exam. This is your practice for exam only. Yeah, correct answer. A is equal to, yeah. Yes, Akleen, correct answer. Question F you are doing now, Ahmed. We are doing this question, Ahmed. That we have already done. Correct answer, Yusuf Muazzam, correct answer. Yes, Farhana, correct answer. So this was a simple question. Try simple questions also. Now this one, 5v minus 4. Let me erase it first. This one, 5v minus 6. This one. I'm writing also. 5v minus 6 plus 5v is equal to minus 4. Yes, Farhana, correct answer. Saklen, numerator. Yeah, correct answer, correct answer. Yeah, Saklen, correct answer. Ahmad, correct answer. Okay, now this question we have already done. Now this one. Mutabir, wrong answer. Huh? Answer is 13 by 5. Answer for this question is 13 by 5. Okay. This question answer is V is equal to 13 by 5. Why? Because it will be actually 26 by 10. If you do it in lowest form, it will be 13 by 5. Okay. Now I'm writing the next question. 6y minus upon minus 4 minus 7y is equal to minus 9. Okay. This is the question.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Who is asking? Mudabbir?
Sakleen, ma'am.
Yeah, Saklen, tell me.
Ma'am, can we make the first one upon whole minus 4, like 6y minus 7y upon minus 4?
You can make when you multiply it with -4, then only you can make it. Because otherwise, see here LCM, here you have one denominator. If you want to make it by whole, you have to multiply it with -4, correct? Is it clear? -4 in the numerator and -4 in the denominator. Is it clear, Saklen? Hmm?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what you will do? You will do 6y minus 7y into -4 upon -4. Okay? Now whole 4 you can do because यहाँ पे into -4 ऊपर नीचे कर लिया. LCM we did. Okay, so what it happens over here is minus and minus is plus. It's 28y. Okay, Farhana, I'm checking it. Upon -4 equal to -9. This -4 goes over here. 28, 29, 30, 32y is equal to 36. So y is equal to 36 upon 32. 2 से जाएगा. 9/8 is the answer. Farhana, check it. Or
Ma'am,
other,
x minus into -4, why we have up?
minus
You
4 into
wrote, no.
where?
So,
Ma'am, ma'am, 28y plus 6y we have to do. So it will be 30.
Okay, sorry. 33, 34, right? It is 34. So it is 34 over here. 36 upon 34. Then what happens? 36 upon 34. 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16. So 18/17 I am getting. Other method also I'll try and let us see if we get the same answer or not. 11 you are getting in the denominator, Farhana. Check your answer. Okay, I'm doing it over here again. This is one way to do. Another way is, question is 6y upon -4 minus 7y is equal to, okay, Saklen got -5. Saklen, we got something else. 36/34 we got now. Okay, let me check it. Is equal to -9. So what do we do? 6y upon, make it -6y upon 4 is equal to -9 plus 7y. Okay, now this 4 will go and get multiplied. So -6y, this way also we can do, because nothing is there. I don't want to make the denominator same. तो -7y को इधर जाके +7y कर दिया. अभी ये 4 को यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So 4 into -9 plus 7y. So many methods are there. You can follow anyone. -36 plus 28y and -6y. Okay, ये -6y को इधर लेके जाएंगे और -36 को इधर. So -36 becomes +36 over here and -6y becomes 6y plus 28y. ठीक है, so it becomes 34y and here it is 36. Answer तो वही आ रहा है. Any method you do, answer you'll get the same. 36 upon 34. Now 36 upon 34 का lowest form हो गया. How much? 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16 upon 18 upon 17 is the answer. Okay, so one way is this. One way I did in previously when I made the denominator same and then cross multiplied. One way is -7y को इधर लेके गए and +7y and then you can cross multiply. Is it clear, Farhana? Did you find your mistake?
yes,
Saklen, your mistake? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I have one.
Okay, so just write 2-3 questions for homework. I'm marking the questions. Simple question I'm giving you.
Yes, ma'am, now I got it.
Okay, wait. Where did it go? Wait, let me find it out again. That page is gone. So. Okay, I'm marking the question. The questions which you have not done. So write down these questions. This one, H1, this is decimal ka. So H1 you write, one question. First one is this. Written. 0.25 into 4y minus 3 is equal to 0.5y minus 9. Done?
Yes.
Another question is this one. 5 is equal to x plus 2 upon 8. Second question. 5 is equal to x plus 2 upon 8. Done? This one. This is third question. I'm writing the third question. You will not understand over here. Third question is n minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3n upon 8 minus 8. Okay. And fourth question is, 4 questions I'm giving. Z minus 7 upon minus 9 minus 6 is equal to 7z upon minus 8. So 4 questions are there in homework. Next class we'll be doing word problems. Practice these linear equations. Completed? Should I stop sharing now? All of you have written the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some of you did not note also. So fine. I'll check it in the next class. Just write down the questions. We'll discuss the answers in the next class. Bye.